Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cupcakes from box cake mix. First, gather your ingredients. 1 box of cake mix, 2 to 3 large eggs, 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, and 1 cup of water. Next, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Line a standard 12-cup muffin tin with paper cupcake liners. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's mix the batter. In a large mixing bowl, combine the dry cake mix, eggs, oil, and water. Start mixing on low speed for about 30 seconds to incorporate everything. Then, increase the speed to medium and mix for a full 2 minutes. Remember to scrape down the sides of the bowl with a spatula to ensure all ingredients are thoroughly combined for a smooth batter. It's time to bake. Carefully fill each cupcake liner about 2/3 full with your prepared batter. This prevents overflow and ensures perfectly sized cupcakes. Place the muffin tin into your preheated oven and bake for 18 to 22 minutes. You'll know they are done when a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Let them cool in the tin for 5 minutes. Once slightly cooled, transfer your cupcakes to a wire rack to cool completely. This step is crucial before frosting, as warm cupcakes will melt your beautiful icing. Once they reach room temperature, get creative and frost them with your favorite store-bought or homemade icing. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals we've found for you. Enjoy your delicious, homemade cupcakes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.